Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video guys, I want to teach you how you can start trading cryptocurrency and then avoid losing money. You see, so many beginner traders have issues with money management, but this video is a guide on how you can actually trade cryptocurrency and you avoid losing money. All right, so if that concerns you a lot, please do not fail to like and share this video. Now let's go into my chart so that I will show you exactly what you need to do in order to be profitable. Now guys, this is my chart. This is Bitcoin. Yeah, this is Bitcoin on the 15 minutes time frame. Let's look at the higher time frame. Let's see what we have here on the higher time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I saw that, oh, okay, all right, you see that price just entered into our point of interest. This area, price has just entered into our point of interest. That is our store. So we are looking for what opportunity to do what, to what, short the market. We are looking for what opportunity to do what, short the market. Now let's see what's happening inside there. So we'll just quickly go back to 15 minutes time frame. Here on the 15 minutes, good. All right, this is it. So price just tapped into our zone and we are looking for opportunity to what, to short the market. All right, yeah, this is the first leg of price tapping into the zone, and it creates a change of character at this level. Look at it guys, it created a change of character here, very tiny one. The change of character actually what has a fair value gap. Guys, this is it. This is what fair value gap is. Let's zoom out clearly to see. Okay, all right, this is it guys. I didn't draw this very well. This guy, I have to delete it. I'm not in a hurry at all when analyzing my chart. Okay, so this is it guys, from here to here. This is it. Okay, all right, so we have this other block. All right, the fair value gap, this candle and this candle, all right, this particular one and this one created a gap. All right, it created a gap. So this is a gap here. We have from this guy, let's put it like this, and this guy, this one here, this one was without a wick. Yes, it was without a wick, but there is actually a gap. Price already came back to mitigate, to fill up that gap before continuing. All right, but when price came to fill up that gap, price has not what touched our other block yet. All right, so this fair value gap simply what validates this other block. So we draw our other block using our rectangular tool from here. This is it. All right, so we just got to wait for price to come there, and then boom, what happened? Price invalidated it and hit our stop loss. All right, price hit our stop loss. So remember, I told you that when we get to a point of interest and we see a change of character with fair value gap, we take the trade. All right, with what, risk management, because we know that even the very best setup can do what, can fail. All right, so we are trading only what, Bitcoin. So when price came there, price invalidated it, and then price gave us another chance. We have 3 attempts on an order block. Okay, you have to attempt the other block 3 times, and then if it's not working, then you know that that other block is what, weak. It's weak. All right, so this is the first attempt, it fails. Okay, so let's just delete this guy. Let's delete this guy from this area. Now we have the second attempt. All right, this is the second attempt. We have another other block here. After we got this change of character here, we see a valid other block here, and we stayed here and we're waiting for what, price to react to it. Okay, this is actually how it is. Good. So we extend this stuff, and then in drawing our Remember guys, this area will be our take profit level number 1. And I told you that when we get to take profit level number 1, we'll do what? We'll break even. Break even simply means pushing our stop loss down towards our entry area. This is it guys. So our take profit level, our second TP is this guy here. This guy is second TP. All right, this guy is second TP, that is this point. So let's see what happens. Okay, price actually came, tap into our zone, and then gave us what? Full take profit before. This is it. It gave us full take profit before a massive reversal to the downside. All right, you see why it is important to know where exactly to take your profit and where to break even. This level here is the level where we take our first profit, and that level is what? Break even level. Meaning if price get to this area, all we just need to do is to extend our stop loss and put it at our what? Entry. All right, and then I will allow the trade to run to our what? Final take profit, which is what? This guy here. This is what our final what? Take profit level. All right, so that is it. And you see that the trade play out massively well before it got what? Invalidated. All right, before it got invalidated. You see that the trade play out very well before it got what? Invalidated guys. So that is it when it comes to what? Analysis. You see this massive candle is telling us that this our other block is weak. All right, remember we are going to take just 3 attempts. The first attempt failed, second attempt played out, we don't even need the third one. All right, so we just what? We wait for what? A fresh zone. So that is it guys. Now why I say for you to know how you can trade cryptocurrency and avoid losing money is what we call what? Trade management guys. Trade management. All right, now why I said trade management, a lot of new beginner traders do not know how to manage trade management. A lot of new beginner traders do not know how to manage trade. All right, when you know how to manage your trade, you avoid losing so much money in the market. Like for example, this guy here. Once price get to this level, I do what is called what? Break even. Because sometimes price can get to this level, price may not get my final take profit level, and then it will reverse. So break even simply means I'm managing my trade setup. All right, you manage your trade setup with what? Break even. It helps you not to take unnecessary losses. All right, it is better you take you're not in profit and neither are you on loss. Okay, so it is very important to understand what? Trade management. That is what trade management simply means what? Break even. Knowing when to break even, knowing when to take full profit, and knowing when to close your trade. That is what trade management. It is simply knowing when to what? Break even. Let's say this. Trade management will have 1, break even. We have 2, take profit, take final profit. Let's say final profit. And we'll have 3. We'll have 3 what again? Knowing when the trade setup is invalidated. Yeah guys, this is the 3 important things when it comes to what? Trade management. All right, when it comes to trade management, you have to understand when to break even, when to take final profit, and when to know that your trade setup has been what? Invalidated. All right, that is that about what? Trade management. So when you're able to know this thing, you avoid losing unnecessary money in the market as a beginner. When you're able to know this thing, trade management, how to manage trade, it will help you to avoid losing unnecessary money in the market. Break even, very important. Knowing where to place your final take profit and knowing when the setup is no longer valid, guys. It is very, very, very what important. All right, so that is it. I think I have a setup, guys. There's a setup I have in near USDT. I think you should play it now because Bitcoin just rise. Let's look at it. Near USDT.p. Let's see. Bybit here. This guy. Let's see. Wow. Okay. Yeah. We got triggered, guys. This is it. You see, this is the trade. Knowing your bias, directional bias, is very important, guys. This is the analysis I did, and then I had the setup here. I enter a long position, and I'm targeting this area, this guy here. I'm targeting this area here. You can see the price just tap into my zone. Let me adjust it, and let's see how the trade plays out. Okay, this setup has been here for I think either yesterday. Yeah, I did it yesterday, and I'm just waiting. Yeah, so you see, we got triggered. This is a nice trade. This is a nice trade, guys. This is a nice trade. Trading is not luck, it's understanding directional bias. When I start understanding directional bias, I start becoming profitable, guys. I'm telling you, I've been in this game for like 2 years reading the chart. It is market structure that changed everything. Market structure. When I understood my bias, market structure, guys, when I know when to buy and know when to sell, that is what changed everything, and I became what profitable. So I don't play with higher time frame analysis. Let's look at this. Let's look at the weekly. Let's see what we have here. I take my time to analyze from the weekly. You see here on the weekly, we have the most recent break of structure to be bullish. This guy, break of structure to be bullish, and then we are expecting reversal here, but we don't know if that reversal is actually truth until we look at the daily bias. The daily bias can, okay, yeah. So here on the daily time frame, you can see what I'm talking about. We have what? A change of character. But remember, guys, I told you change of character does not mean that the market has fully reversed. All right, it just means that the market is about to what? Reverse. So for the fact that this market is about to reverse, we are still on what? Bullish trend. Okay, we are still on bullish trend. So now that we're on bullish trend, going to the 4 hour to look for a bullish store to buy the asset. All right, so you go to the 4 hour time frame here. This is the 4 hour time frame, and we are looking for what? A bullish store, guys. A bullish store where we'll buy the asset. Okay, we're interested in buying, and then I look closely. I saw a clean. I told you guys, I did this analysis in one of my videos. I think that yesterday or the before yesterday. A clean 4 hour store. I told you guys, I'm just waiting for price to come here. When price comes here, I go to the 15 minutes time frame and look for what? Confirmation. So see, price came to the other block. Once price came there, I go into 15 minutes time frame. Let us see what happened. Good. This is 15 minutes time frame. All right, so in 15 minutes time frame here, I saw a clean change of character that has a fair value gap and a valid order block. I take my trade from this other block. I'm targeting this area. See, price just triggered it and we are moving. So let's see how the trade ends out. All right, guys, that's it for today. So if you have watched this video to this point, please give me a thumbnail, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you guys on our next episode. Thank you. I love you.